What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. In this episode, I'm doing something a little bit different, something I've never done on this channel before. I'm going to be catching a pet fish for my new fish tank. Out here with Mark Ambrose. Seen him on the channel before. What are we doing out here, dude?
Well, we're going to try and catch the littlest bass we can find. So we're not looking for monsters, we're looking for a little one. So we're going to throw tiny little lures.
Yeah, so the goal today is completely different than my usual goal when I'm fishing. I'm trying to catch like the smallest fish possible. And we're out here at the pig factory. Mark's been taking like pretty much hundreds of bass out of here because most of them are just little tiny bass, and there's not a lot of food for them. So he's been putting food in, put some forage fish in, taking the bass out, and we're going to start introducing like bigger bass to get a better gene pool in here. And hopefully soon the pig factory will live up to its name. But yeah, I'm going to put the big camera down. We're going to go. Shouldn't take too long because there's still a bunch of little guys in here, and we're going to try and catch the tiniest little bass possible to put them in my fish tank. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so nothing crazy here, just putting a little crappie tube on, little hook, and then I got a float. Keep it simple, keep it out of the grass. Gonna go try catch the smallest little fish possible. Uh-oh, you got one already. Let me see. It's pretty small. I think we can go smaller. He is tiny though.
Definitely one of the stunted ones, you can see it by the eyes.
Yeah, I think we can get smaller than him even. My whole goal is to like put this fish in my tank and let him get really fat and huge. And it's probably gonna outgrow the tank because the tank's only 30 gallons. And then I want to get like a 125 gallon tank. So when he outgrows the 30 gallon tank, I'll put him in the big tank. Then when he outgrows that, he's gonna come back in here. He's gonna be a slob, hopefully. Let's see if I can get one. You're getting out of control. I wore tennis shoes like an idiot. I remember, like, when we took the paddle boat out, we caught a couple that were like a little bit. Oh, this might be him. This might be him. Oh, I think that's the one already. Look how tiny he is. We're gonna put him in the bucket for now because that guy is like, I don't even know, like 5 inches or something, 6 inches. We'll put him in here and then we'll call him if we can find a smaller one. Oh, I'm getting wet. Why do I wear shoes? I'm so stupid. All right, we got one in there. Oh my God, I'm soaked. All right, that guy was tiny, so we gotta get a really tiny one now if we can beat him. Uh-oh. That one's fighting too hard. What do you got there? Nope, too big. That one's a monster for this place. It's crazy. How many have you taken out of here?
280.
Oh my God, look at this. You've taken 280 fish out of here, and they're still just every cast. This pond is the perfect place to get fish from because they're already so crowded that like he's gonna love his little fish tank to himself. Something bigger just came out there. Oh man, what the hell was that? No, don't you hate that? Bobber went all the way under. Oh, it broke, you bastard. Right in the dang thorn bush. Ow. That's smaller than that last one?
Oh yes.
Oh, that one's a little bigger, I think.
Other one's in the back pond.
Oh God, that one's too big.
Oh God.
This one's definitely too big.
I think that's a bluegill. That's a bluegill.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Told you they were big, dude.
Wow. Yeah, so we actually put these bluegill in here
They were way smaller than that.
from a pond down the road. They weren't very big, and there weren't that many, so the fact that like we're catching them is pretty cool. He actually saw them spawning too. That's pretty cool. It's nice to know that like they've took well and are doing good. We put that guy in here a while ago now, over a year.
A little bit.
Bluegill looks healthy too. Fat. It's pretty cool that we only put like 20 some bluegill in here. Oh, this is the one, I think. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dude. That's the one. That's the one. I don't even think I need the fish anymore. That guy's the perfect size.
I don't need to fish anymore.
Look how little that is. I don't know if we're gonna be able to beat this guy. He's tiny. Let me see what we got here now. We're gonna call him smaller. This guy here, definitely bigger. This guy here. Ooh, those ones are about the same size. Man, those are tiny. I think this guy's a little bit smaller. Okay, I got one in there. I don't think we're beating that, dude. We can try. Oh, bluegill, dude. Look at this. Monster bluegill. That's so nuts. Look at this. Dude, the bluegill have taken really good in here, man. That's wild. It's funny the bluegill are bigger than the bass in here. Bluegill have definitely taken. That makes me happy. Oh, I like the one I got in there now because he doesn't look stunted at all. I think he's just a young one. Yeah. Well, the genes are probably shit, but I'm going to make them as fat as I possibly can. Oh, this one's tiny. This one's tiny. Oh my God. I don't know, man. That one's a pretty one. God, that one's small, dude. I gotta check. My goal is to get the smallest one. That one's like, that's like 5 inches maybe. Okay, who's smaller?
Small.
The new one's smaller. Dude, so small. I'm probably good to go now, honestly. I'm covered in mud because I'm dumb. I have like so many boots I could have worn. I have like 9 pair of boots now. I'm like, I'm gonna wear my tennis shoes. I don't know, man. Yeah, this one looks a little healthier. Okay. All right.
Let's go put them in your tank.
Nice job, dude.
Nice.
It's nice to know the Mondo gills are taking well. That was a pretty hardcore decision there.
Oh, look.
Dude, that was seriously like such a tough decision to know which bass there. I'm like, this one's smaller, but this one looks a little better. Alright guys, so there's a tank. Like I said, it's only a 30 gallon, so it's probably gonna be a little small. But that fish is tiny, so that fish should be able to live in there for at least 6 months before I gotta upgrade the tank. That's the plan anyway. I know you're not supposed to put any water like in when you put the fish in, but I think I'm gonna put a little bit of water in just to get some of the same bacteria and stuff the fish is used to, like being in the pig factory. All right, buddy, I got a net, but I'm just gonna probably grab him. You wanna grab him? Sure. Hopefully the water, this actually should be pretty close to the same temperature, I'd imagine. Doing everything wrong here, but, oh yeah. Let's see what, he's gonna freak out when you first put him in. Oh my God, oh, he's gonna hurt himself. On the weeds. Dang, he looks huge in there. That's why I wanted the smallest one possible. But he's got room though.
Look at the color, that all of a sudden his color just changed.
Yeah, because it's so light. But he's got a good bit of room. I mean, there's a lot of room there for him. We're definitely going to upgrade the tank at some point. I hope he does well. I've had the tank running for a couple days now. Conditioned the water. He looks pretty badass, dude. It's funny how much bigger he looks in the tank though. Mm-hmm. He's trying to figure out the walls. He's like, what?
This is not right.
What is this? He looks pretty dope though. Okay, so he's starting to get used to the tank a little bit. Chilling out. Gotta get some more weeds in there for him. Gonna do some feeding videos soon. As soon as he gets, calms down and gets used to his new home. He's starting to get used to it already. He's understanding the corners and stuff and the walls. So yeah, like I said, those fish are like the perfect fish to put in here because they're already so crowded because he has thousands of little bass in that little pond that putting him in this tank by himself, he's actually probably got almost as much room now as he did then because there was, like I said, thousands and thousands of little bass in there. They're all stunted. He doesn't look too stunted. I think I might have got lucky and got a young one. So cool. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to do some feeding videos. But yeah guys, like I said earlier, comment below, let me know what I should name him, or her. Not really sure if it's a he or she. Comment below, let me know. Need some name ideas. But if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. I'm gonna start doing some feeding videos, some stuff like that. Might introduce a couple more tank mates. Not gonna go crazy because, like I said, it's only a 30 gallon tank. Gonna be getting a big 75 or 125 gallon tank soon. But yeah guys, that is all I have for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.